Hello my friends, I'm Duchess and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm working on a Sielle drawing. It's basically a draw with me video. Let's get started. So I have many things that I want to do and work on, but I haven't gotten to it yet. I have plans to start uploading on Tapas, but Tapas requires many artworks to be made, so I'm still working on it. Recently, I've also been catching up on webtoons that I've been subscribed to forever, but I've never actually read, as well as webtoons that I haven't been reading consistently. I've been really wanting to make lots of fan arts for animes, webtoons, and other things. I just don't have time, and I'm kind of having an art block, which sucks. I kind of know what I want to draw, like I have ideas, but when I draw, it's just not turning out good. Like, everything I've been drawing it's not my best work. There are bad days and good days, but my art block will go away soon, hopefully. I just need to take a break or keep drawing until I draw something good. Anyways, I also started studying color theory on my own time, so that way I can get better at using colors. So I'm experimenting with colors, and I even changed a lot of the colors that I use for my webtoon and for the characters. We'll see how that goes. Today, I actually have some volunteer work training that I have to go do today, so I'm pretty busy all day. I'm probably going to be doing a live on Instagram tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. Pacific time zone, PST. I don't really know time zones that well, but hopefully if you are a follower, you will get a notification if I do go live. Anyway, so the link to my Instagram is in the description below if you guys want to join tomorrow morning. I'll probably just do some coloring and drawing, so it's like a draw with me, and I might answer some questions if you guys have any questions for me. The first time I did a live was over a year ago. I was at the lake with my family, and I thought it'd be a good idea, or like it would be nice if I did a live. But this was when I had about 200 followers, and that was not a good idea because no one joined, which shouldn't be surprising, but I was a little bit confused. I didn't know that people don't really join lives, but now that I have 1,000 followers on Instagram and some on YouTube and some on Webtoon, hopefully someone shows up. I have to set up everything to record. I draw on my iPad, so I'll have to use another phone and get that set up. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but I'm pretty excited for it. So hopefully people come and watch or join the live. So yeah, definitely come and join the live. Just tell me you're from YouTube or from wherever. And yeah, I'll be waiting for you guys there tomorrow morning. So this drawing was actually meant to be the Tapas cover page, but as I was working on it, I started to feel like it wasn't that good. It didn't have that touch to it, if you know what I mean. It's too plain, and I struggled a lot on it. It didn't go as smoothly as I'd hoped, and it didn't turn out all that amazing either. It was okay though. I guess this will just be like my practice cover art, and I'll make another one that's even better, hopefully. Moving on, I was conversing with a good friend of mine a few days ago about webtoons and colors. We noticed that a lot of webtoons don't actually have that much shading and rendering. I've talked about this before, and I've also mentioned that a goal of mine is to be able to skip most of the rendering from my webtoon and just leave it colored, like very minimal shading. It would make my webtoon process so much faster, and yeah, I mean, a lot of webtoons look amazing even without all the shading and rendering. And then when they do have the shading and rendering, those are like the really special panels or the really special drawings that look absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, so I've watched a lot of YouTube videos about color theory, and I have been trying to make nice color palettes for all of my characters. I've pretty much redone all the color palettes for my OCs. Well, I didn't have color palettes before. I just had like a bunch of colors put together, so it's much more organized now. So yeah, I had a very hard time drawing Sielle's face for this drawing. I've been struggling a bit with my drawings lately, so I'm going to start spending more time working on them. I did start the school semester this week, but the workload isn't too heavy yet, so I'm going to take advantage of that and really work on the things that I need to work on. That reminds me, New Year's passed about a month ago and I had a few art resolutions. I wanted to improve on drawing anatomy, men, backgrounds, using colors, and just grow as an artist overall. I definitely improved on colors, just a smidge, but anatomy, drawing faces, and other things could use a lot more work. Let me know what your resolutions were for this year in the comments. So today I uploaded another part of episode 8 of my webtoon. The link is in the description. I also did a cross promo with Mint, who is a friend of mine. Her webtoon is called Royal Brat. Definitely go check out her webtoon as well as her Instagram. I'll leave all the links in the description. Alright, so here is the finished artwork. As you can see, it's not super... It's okay, but it's not like super attractive. It doesn't really pop out, or like, I feel like it wouldn't really catch any reader's attention if they were scrolling on Tapas, because Tapas has so much beautiful art on it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to make another one and we'll see how that turns out. That is all I have for you guys this week. If you guys enjoyed this week's video or learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next week.